Hey y'all, something a little bit different today. We ain't doing fast food. I was in Walmart not too long ago and I found something pretty interesting, and it's these Cheetos Mac and Cheese cups. They have 3 different flavors, so this is a 3-for-1 video. There's the original, the cheesy jalapeno or cheddar jalapeno, and the FLAMIN HOT. So I'll be trying all of them for you. I already cooked them. They're here in the car, so you got the original. Looks like the regular Cheetos. So they got the color right. Let's see if they got the taste. Kind of gross. That tastes exactly like if you dipped a Cheeto in water and then dipped it like 5 more times and then ate it really soggy. That's what this kind of tastes like. Yeah, like the flavor is there, but it's just Cheeto flavor on noodle. It's not really satisfying. I got water here, so clean the palate off for the next flavor. So I even got a different fork for each one. So next is cheesy jalapeno. This one's my personal favorite when I get regular Cheetos. So I'll give this one a taste. Oh yeah, it also looks just like the cheesy jalapeno Cheetos in their solid form, not their weird noodle form. Yeah, that also tastes like you know, the actual Cheeto itself. The flavor with the consistency of the noodles is a little bit more bearable because it's not straight Cheeto flavor. It's got like some spice to it, so it's not as bad. And I'm gonna just have a quick prediction here, and I'm gonna say that the FLAMIN HOT's probably gonna taste like FLAMIN HOT. Let me get this another taste though. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, I thought this would be a interesting review because I've been doing a lot of fast food lately, but I want to branch out and do everything. I mean, I'm gonna do Red Bull eventually with one of my buddies, and yeah, that'll probably be a really long one. So I'm gonna get a better setup for that eventually. Next, or finally, got the FLAMIN HOT. Looks like FLAMIN HOT in there. I'm not a big fan of FLAMIN HOT. I don't really eat it. I normally stick to the cheesy jalapeno flavor. That's just me though, but I'll give this one a taste. Not really getting a whole lot of the FLAMIN HOT flavor here. I'll take a bigger bite. Yeah, it's a little spicy, but it's not like FLAMIN HOT spicy. It's just kind of bland, to be honest. Like regular FLAMIN HOT Cheetos have more flavor than this. This is just kind of like weird. Like it's got the heat, but not much else. So yeah, it's okay. Now as for the ratings, I'll do them in order. So this one, I give it a 6. I'd eat it again if I had to. Cheesy jalapeno, personal favorite. I would get this again, to be honest. So I'm gonna give it a 9. only giving it a 9 instead of a 10 because the consistency is really weird with Cheeto flavors. And then for the FLAMIN HOT, like a 2. There's no flavor, it's just heat. But yeah, that's the review for each, and you know, pretty chill. Some tastier than others, but overall I'm happy with the product they put out. So that's all for now, and I'll see you guys next time.